How to present neatly the answers for English Core 301 Class 12. Always present in order. You are free to choose any section first, but attempt all the questions in order in that particular section. While attempting reading comprehension, draw a column to write the options first and then write the answers in full. Write both options and answers. Cutting short lengthy answers is not allowed. A sample reading comprehension. Begin every writing skill in a fresh page. Always stick to the format for all writing skills. Use the full page for notice writing. Present notice in the box neatly. A sample notice. Begin invitation or reply in a fresh page. A sample reply. Present article or report in 3 or 4 paragraphs. A sample. Literature part ERC. Mention clearly your choice. Attempt all the questions under the set you have taken. A sample. ERC. Short answers must contain 3 or 4 value points as per the question's demand. Avoid lengthy answers for short answers. Stick to word limit. Leave lines after every answer. Draw a line. Do not attempt more than the need. Total 5 plus 2, 7 short answers. Sample short answers. Always write long answers in paragraphs. A sample. Write neatly and legibly. Do not strike or overwrite. Underline all the keywords with pencil. If any cues are provided, do use them and underline. Plan your answer before you write. Happy writing. Thanks for watching.